ito, nagdugo yung kuko ni Max dahil nasobrahan ko ng cut ng kuko. So it will not stop bleeding. That's why nag-worry ako. Pumunta ako sa Pet Value at ibinigay nila sa akin to. Topical styptic powder to stop the bleeding. So kailangan ko lang gumamit ng so medyo masakit daw to, sabi nila. Oops, Max! Sorry, Max. Stay there, Max. So, styptic powder. Kailangan yung gamitin para mag-stop yung bleeding ng nails ng dog. Tapos, lagyan natin ng tape. Oops, Max. Parang hindi siya gumalaw. Kailangan give me the other tape. Ano ko? Give me the other tape. The other tape there in the table, I think. Oh, here. Here. Ito sa kuan. Max. Yeah. Max, stop! Shh. I know, it's hurt. I know it's hurt. Sorry. Max, stop. You cannot lick that one. Just put the medical tape or something. Para hindi niya malik yung... And jaran! Stop bleeding. So easy. And that's it.